Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a consulate. First, you'll need to understand the legal framework and international agreements governing consular relations. Securing host country approval and diplomatic recognition is a critical early step. Then, identify a suitable location for your consular premises, ensuring it meets security and accessibility requirements. Finally, obtain all necessary local permits and licenses to begin operations smoothly. Next, focus on staffing your consulate with qualified consular officers and local support staff. Comprehensive training on consular functions, local laws, and cultural nuances is essential for effective service delivery. Implement robust security measures for both personnel and the premises, including access control and surveillance. Additionally, establish clear emergency protocols and communication channels to ensure safety and preparedness. Once established, define the specific range of consular services your office will provide, such as visa processing or citizen assistance. Set up efficient administrative systems for managing applications and records, ensuring smooth operations. Establish clear financial management and accounting procedures to maintain transparency and accountability. Always ensure full compliance with both local regulations and international diplomatic laws. Finally, foster strong relationships with the local community and host government. Organize cultural events and outreach programs to promote understanding and goodwill. Regularly review and update your operational policies and procedures to adapt to changing needs and best practices. Consistent maintenance of the physical premises and infrastructure is also vital for a professional and secure environment, ensuring long-term success and effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.